So it is not enough to sacrifice one's wealth, knowledge, time, and even one's life in order to gain the nearness of God. Rather, God Almighty desires that a person sacrifices his ego and forgoes all forms of self-importance. Therefore, as you partake in the Majlis Shura and as office bearers throughout the year, you should reflect upon these words and search deep within your souls. Assess whether the sacrifices or efforts you make for the sake of the Jamaat are made purely for the sake of attaining the love and pleasure of God Almighty, or having attained the title of an office bearer or Shura delegate, or